Hi, this is Tommy Pope. It's actually Thursday. You know, every once in a while I get tied up and don't get to talk to you on Wednesday. I'll explain that in a moment. A couple things going on here at the State House. This is the last week we've had our committee hearings, and so we're through with our judiciary hearings for the year. We'll be dealing with things on the floor, including the budget, including other bills. We'll be dealing with that. Our York County Circuit Court race, it appears now Bill McKinnon, Jimbo Morton, and Dan Hall were all in the race. Bill McKinnon is withdrawn from the race. Jimbo and Dan are still in. I believe that Dan has the votes in the House and Senate, and I believe that ultimately he will be our next 60th Circuit Court judge. But again, that race is not over yet, but I believe that to be the case. Yesterday, we had ethics meetings. We were on the floor. The reason I was not able to talk to you, I got a confession to make, is I was actually out hanging out with the National Guard at Fort Jackson. My kids are very impressed when you get to shoot these, that sometimes that's more fun than coming and seeing Daddy in a suit. So we spent a lot of time with the guys that are citizen soldiers that volunteer to protect us. They took us out, showed us the tanks. I'll try to put some pictures on Facebook. I want my NRA friends to know that I am with them. They don't need to worry about that. And finally, I would tell you about the ethics meetings that we've been having. Two things are really going on with ethics. As you know, I'm on the ethics committee itself. If you might have seen in the paper, we may be referred to some matters, and I just want to assure you, as I always have, that I take seriously my job on the ethics committee. We're going to do our job on the ethics committee, and we'll take care of those items as they come to us. Secondly, we got ethics reform. There's a bill coming that we'll probably take up next week on the floor. And in ethics reform, one of the things is creating an independent investigation. That bell's ringing for me. Independent investigation. We're going to work hard on that and have citizens involved in it. I think that'll be good. Finally, I wanted to introduce y'all. Met Mary Ann before. This is Amanda's daughter. She actually works at my law practice. But a lot of times when you call and I'm here and you got constituent matters, Amanda's the one that takes care of you. So if you ever need us, you can call me at the law office, 803-324-7574 at Elrod Pope. Or you can always get me at tommypope.com. I'm going to go see what the bell is ringing about, and I'm going to get to work for you. Thanks a lot.